Well, a day after Reliance Industries had moved the Punjab and Haryana High Court, the court has now issued notice to the Punjab government over tower vandalism cases that were reported. Punjab government has been asked to file a response by the 8th of February. This came as a big development as Reliance Jio that moved the Punjab and Haryana High Court against the vandalism of its telecom towers in Captain Amrinder Rule state of Punjab. Going across to Amandeep now, because Amandeep, the company had sought government intervention for the protection of its assets, and now the High Court has asked the government, the state government of Punjab, to respond by the 8th of February.
Exactly, Amita. Initially, Reliance company has filed the complaints with the Punjab government as well as the DGP. But now when the things have not sorted out, so they have taken the route of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. And today, the entire, I think, an hour-long hearing in that finally the Punjab and Haryana High Court has issued the notice to the Punjab government and asked them to file the reply on 8th of February. Meanwhile, the Punjab government have also revealed that they have constituted the nodal officers and the patrolling parties to avoid such kind of acts in Punjab, and they are trying to secure the towers and make the people understand and taking the strict action against those who are actually indulging into these kind of acts. Just because the Reliance company has demanded that there is a certain act under which the telecom towers can be protected, and in fact that act, to prevail that act, is the responsibility of the state government. So these are the arguments went about an hour, where the Punjab government was on the defensive mode, revealing all the details that now the practice has been halted in the state of Punjab. Nodal officers has been appointed, and even more than 1900 patrolling parties are taking rounds around the telecom towers to check the vandalization. And even now the reply will be filed on the 8th of February, that what exactly is happening and how many towers had been vandalized and how the state government is
That is the response that has been sought by the High Court from the Captain Amrinder Singh government in the state of Punjab, because it was the intervention earlier that was sought to bring a complete stop of the illegal acts of vandalism by miscreants, where nearly 176 signal transmitting sites that have been vandalized in the last 24 to 48 hours. Amandeep, thanks very much for joining in. We'll listen into the council side from Reliance on what they have to say.
We had pointed out to the court that there is an act which is in place, which is called Punjab Prevention of Damage to Public and Private Property Act 2014. So there one needs to be a mechanism to see and ensure that there is a prevention of damage. Secondly, there has to be a committee which ought to have been constituted under that very act to assess the damages, etc. So that's what we had put forth, and most importantly, we had put forth before the court that Reliance has got nothing to do with corporate or contract farming, and therefore there are only certain vested interests who are instigating miscreants to vandalize these towers and garb off this agitation. Otherwise, this litigation is not an adversarial litigation, because the government is also helping us, so far has helped us. We are asking for continuance and augmentation of resources by the government, and they would be doing, and they have assured also that they are doing and they would be doing.